I'm dipping in my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven. I got that freak ass seven.
5-4. Tune in for another one. As you can see, got a tender on the C-10. Make sure everything on the up and up. This is what I wanted to look at on this harness, just to see exactly how far was the fuse box away from this shit. And it's really not that far, so that let me know I'm going down the right path and shit. But as you can see fuel pump wire, like now I can identify this shit, my G. I can identify it. But yeah, as you can see, it ain't nothing but pink, ground, and it looked like they probably extended the wire to actually go out to it, because you're supposed to have a serial, it's supposed to be green. And I'm pretty sure they shorten that shit up somewhere down the line, I don't fucking know. But like I was saying, like as you can see how they did all them pinks. Like see how them wires crammed up in that bitch. I mean, real talk, they could have just extended that shit out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. So I might end up just going back and extending them out. Shit, I might not fuck with that. I don't know. We'll find out time or two. So we back. You can see this one right here. This is one wire that comes from Key Power. That's a pink wire. And as you can see, it's jumbled up and then it goes right there to get those 3 fuses, power and shit. And actually, as I'm looking at it, like, I don't see no fucking separation. This one might have been done. See, all these wires, like, yo, they in here, like, mad tight. Like, they didn't extend anything. Okay. Hold on. I apologize. Because now, well, not all the way. Because this fuse has, well, this block has 8 fuses, as you can see. So, as long as everything is supposed to have ignition key, then you good. So as you can see, they put 2 fuse blocks. One is for constant, looks like. Oh no, hold on, let me see. Yeah, because these 2 fuses are together. 1, 2, those are for the constant power. Yeah, everything is supposed to have constant power. See, they wired this block up different. You know what I'm saying? Use 8 fuses. In my opinion, they kind of complicated the shit, because honestly, they could have just... y'all know on my harness how I followed on LT1 swap. All I did was condense them bad boys down. You know what I'm saying? We took the 8 injectors, brought it down to 2 wires. The O2 sensors, the PC, well, the O2 sensors, the master flow, and something else was another, transmission was another fuse. then coil and PCM was one. So yeah, I mean, it could have been a lot of this. It seems like overkill, to be completely honest with you. If I'm being completely honest, and I do want to always be completely honest. So let me look. That's why I'm trying to look at the harness and kind of identify. Not that this one is having an issue, but you know, I'm just trying to better understand what's going on in my hood. So this right here is the constant power. As you can see, it's ran to the back of the alternator. So that's that right there, and that wire is coming all the way over here, and then it's going in orange. So yeah, that's that orange wire right there, which is in turn powering automatically those two, you know what I'm saying, fuses, and everything else is pretty much key on, I believe, with the exception of these last two on this side, where you can see that they put a jumper to power it from the key on. So you got more wires, and then you jump it over here, and then these last two fuses on this side are key on. And those are for, looks to be the fuel pump, and yeah, that's the one right here. And as you can see, like, they didn't solder the connections, they just crimped them. So yeah, I don't know what in the end will happen with this. Let's see. And it looks like they did the grounds. They just went individual grounds. They didn't jump the grounds. So I mean, clearly it's more than one way to do this shit, but yeah. I only did my only first harness, and this way right here seems a whole lot more simpler. So yeah, or the way that I did it was a whole lot simpler. And then you got your OBD2 diagnostic joint right there. Let me see. I want to say that's it, bruh. I want to say that's it. So, yeah, I just want to point out the difference from this fuse block that I know was done by someone, and then the difference between mine. The way that it looks, I mean, everything looks to be the same. You know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty confident that when we put it all the way together, then we'll be able to do it. It'll be able to fire off, and we'll have success. I'm trying to think. I want to say that's it. So for sure that's it. There we go. For sure that's it, and we good. Know what I mean? I do want to say that no, it's good. It's good. I thought it wasn't no fuse on it. But yeah, all the computers is different, blah, blah, blah. Oh yeah, another thing that I noticed, well, not on this one, because, yeah, see, so this one don't have no trains on it. So, this computer is ideal for this setup. So they got them individually taped up right there. Then going off into there, and then the fuse block come off right here, and then everything goes into your block. And everything else kind of just wrapped up with this joint here. Like I said, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I might end up, I don't know. I might just leave this shit alone. As long as it don't cause me no problems, then I'll let it be. If it do start causing me problems, then I know where the fuck I need to look.